Your pores are not dirty. You've just been cleaning them wrong. Come closer. Let's really look at this. Right here, along the sides of the nose, tiny openings, some barely visible, some slightly stretched, are holding on to something they were never meant to keep. A soft mixture of oil and dead skin sitting quietly beneath the surface. Not filth. Buildup. Slowly darkening, slowly hardening, the way anything does when it's left untouched for too long. And if your skin looks like this, you're not alone in this. Almost every pore on almost every face does this at some point. It's not a flaw, it's biology. Your skin produces oil to protect itself, and sometimes that oil just doesn't know when to leave. Here's what's actually happening underneath. Oil rises to the surface. Dead skin cells sit on top of it instead of shedding away naturally. The two combine, get trapped inside the pore, and slowly oxidize when they meet air, turning from a soft yellow to a dark, stubborn gray-black. That dark tip you keep noticing in the mirror, that's not dirt sitting on your skin, that's oil oxidized and settled in. That frustration ends here, because the answer was never about scrubbing harder. It was about preparing the skin properly, and then letting it release what it's been holding. Step-by-step routine, we begin with a double cleanse. First, an oil-based cleanser massaged in slow circular motions. Feel it melting into the surface, dissolving the day's buildup, the sunscreen, the trapped oil sitting at the very entrance of the pore. Melting, loosening, lifting away. Then a gentle water-based cleanser follows, clearing away whatever the first step lifted, skin left clean, clear. Breathing. Next, a light exfoliation. Nothing harsh, nothing stripping. Just enough to soften the dead skin sitting on the surface, encouraging it to lift away naturally instead of clinging on. Smooth, softened, refined. Now we prepare the skin to open. A warm steam held close for a few quiet minutes. Watch the pores begin to relax, widening just slightly, softening whatever's settled inside. This step is never rushed. The skin needs time to soften on its own terms. And now the extraction. Slow, controlled, patient, no pressing, no forcing. Just gentle guided pressure around the softened pore, coaxing the trapped buildup to rise on its own. Watch it lift, slowly emerging, the pore releasing what it's held for days. Clean, clear, refined, balanced. Each extraction is small, contained, deliberate. This isn't about clearing everything at once. It's about clearing it correctly, so the skin doesn't rebel afterward with redness or irritation. Once the visible buildup is lifted, the skin is soothed immediately. A calming toner or centella-based solution pressed gently into the surface, cooling the area, easing any tightness. The skin exhales. Then comes hydration, a lightweight, humectant-rich layer that sinks in fully, leaving nothing greasy behind, just softness, just balance. Because clear skin that isn't hydrated is only half the work done. And finally, protection. A broad-spectrum SPF applied generously, sealing everything in. Especially here, in Karachi's humidity, Lahore's dust, Mumbai's pollution, Delhi's harsh sun, this step isn't optional. It's the difference between skin that stays clear and skin that falls right back into old patterns by evening. Look at that. Pores that once looked dark and congested now sit flat, smooth, barely visible under the light. No redness, no irritation. Just clean, even texture. The kind that catches light softly instead of trapping shadows in every crevice. But here's what most people get wrong. Squeezing with fingers, pressing too hard, too often, pushes buildup deeper instead of releasing it, and often leaves behind scarring that lasts far longer than the blackhead ever did. Over-exfoliating, thinking more scrubbing means faster results. It doesn't. It only strips the skin barrier, leaving it more reactive, more prone to producing even more oil in response. And skipping moisturizer, assuming oily skin doesn't need hydration, that's where most people go wrong. Dehydrated skin overcompensates by producing more oil. The cycle repeats. This isn't about one satisfying extraction video. This is about a routine, repeated gently and consistently, week after week, because clear pores aren't a one-time result. They're a habit. A quiet, patient commitment to skin that's given time to actually heal. Before congested, dull, uneven, catching every shadow. After smooth, clear, balanced, catching the light instead. Your skin was never dirty. It was just waiting to be understood. Thank you for watching.